Good morning, this is Keith All, and welcome back to another episode of the amazing tips, tricks, and hacks using the Builderall platform. Today we're going to learn a simple technique about scrolling and background images. So right here, what we're looking at is just a web page with a couple panels on it. And when we scroll up and down, the background image will stay fixed. What that means is it will not scroll with the rest of the page. So here it is. I'll scroll down, watch what happens. See, the background image stays fixed, but I have multiple background images. So it looks like when I scroll down, the second image will overlay the first image. Let's scroll back down. See what it does. So I have two separate images that is creating this effect. So let's see how we could take care of this. So let's go to the Cheetah editor. And basically, all I have here is I have two, basically a top and bottom header panel. So this is the bottom panel, and this is the top panel. Now I have two panels underneath here. So what I did was, this is the first panel with the blue car. And all I did was I go to ahead and edit this panel, and I go to the background settings, and of course I have a background image set to that. But if we continue to scroll down under the background settings property, we see this option here that says keep fixed. Okay, and that's what we want to select. So it's under CSS, it's called the fixed property for the background property. So if we scroll down to the next panel, which is right here, I'm going to do the same thing. Again, I'm under the background settings, and I have a background image set here. And if you scroll down here, when scrolling, keep this background image fixed. And that's what that setting is. And don't worry about this message here. This only appears in the editor when you have no elements set on a panel. Now this message won't display on the actual website. But the effect that you want to create, like it looks like it totally overlays it, in this particular situation, I have two same images, but with a different color car. And they're all positioned exactly the same place on the image, so it looks like it kind of overrides it or overlays it, and it doesn't move like that. So you could do this with any type of image. You could have one image as like a beautiful background image, like of a backyard, and then the next image you could have a beautiful background of a field or anything like that, or like a cold wintry day to a warm summer day. Play around with this technique and you could get some very interesting effects. Now the background image I set to a 900 width or 900 height setting. So if I come over here, and again it could be any height, but set both of the images to pretty much the same height, and you go to the size, and then this is what I set it to. Again, the height of it doesn't matter. You could create any image that you want. It could be done in Canva, it could be done in Photoshop. You could get it from Google Images. Just be creative with this type of technique and you can have a very interesting looking website. Hopefully today gave you a great idea on how you could create an amazing website using the Builderall platform. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. And also, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support. When you comment or like it, it helps with the algorithm to suggest more of these videos so you could get more content delivered to your channel. Thanks again. I appreciate your support again, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye now.